Hey, my people, wait till they play. This is not the voice of RT Media Tech Nigeria. Alright, we're here with another quick tutorial for the Nigeria people. If you want to learn how to change your Sony Vegas Pro project name, now this tutorial be that. You go sharply open the project. You see, I'm saying me don't open the project. You can come file, you can go down to save as, and then you can click. You can navigate, go the folder where you want save the new folder. Then you can type the name when you want put. Like now I have here worship and praise except. All right, that's the name I want to give my file, and I'm go poo save, and there you go, it's saved. All right, very quick tutorial. Now if you want to learn anything about tech, about video editing, graphic design, you get any question about your computer, about your phone, come on, hit me up, comment below. We go do the tutorial, any tutorial when you want, and we go help you. All right, one more time at the voice of RTM Tech Nigeria. Thank you for viewing this video. If you like the video, I bet hit the subscribe button, no dollar. All right, now take care, next time we go jam.